Very good. Well done, Kuya.
Look at the last.
What's that? Madulas?
Yes.
Slippery?
Strawberry and a banana.
A banana. Oh, you do it again. You erase it and then you draw a banana again. Come on. 20.
Around.
Around. Are you finished now, Magpupo?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Look, 1, 2.
Oh, you draw mommy a banana. Oh, draw mommy a balloon.
Oh,
Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Draw mommy a balloon, please. Let me see. Very good. Galing humahawak ng pena. What's that?
That's a balloon.